There we have a PRAZI SD400 bench lathe. So we powered up so you can watch it run. All the components on here appear to operate correctly, except for this lever right here that locks in the threading rod here. It turns manually, however, it won't lock in. This is locked up pretty good. We try to move it manually. It moves very little, so it's kind of jammed up. Cross slide operates. There's a couple shims in here. We're not quite sure what's going on there with that. But other than that, all the other components appear to operate correctly on here.